What's up, folks? Already here with Bomber Breaks, and I've got for you right now Gold Rush Lightning Baseball Random Team number 1, a 10-box case break. Thank you so much for jumping in. Let's get right into it. We have all 30 teams represented here. Arizona Diamondbacks down to the Washington Nationals, 30 spots in total. 3 plus a 1. We're going 4 clicks. And after 4, we've got the Baltimore Orioles at the bottom. Up to the Atlanta Braves. Let's go back out for the full random. Braves to Orioles. Good. And my participants in the random team, I've got William M. First spot, Mojo, down to Eugene, who closed it out. Appreciate y'all. Good luck on the draw. 3 plus, wow. Another 1. We're going 4 clicks. This is so much different than my normal 6s all day rolls. And click number 4 gives me Michael T. at the bottom up to Kenneth at 1 spot. Let's grab some format in here to make it a little easier to see for everybody. And we'll sort you guys by participant. With William with the Brewers at the bottom. Up to Chip with the New York Yankees. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and do these one box at a time. Good luck to all. Teams are going to stay up on the screen. Let's see what we got. 10 premium hits, 1 per box here. Gold Rush Lightning Random Team number 1. All right. First hit incoming. It's going to be Walker Buehler. Walker Buehler of the LA Dodgers. Mark H. Mark, that is yours. Congrats. Walker Buehler, Gym Mint 10 from PSA on the authenticated auto. Rookie from Topps Chrome. Topps Chrome, Walker Buehler, rookie auto. Very nice. Gym Mint 10 on the Buehler. Congrats. Again, Dodgers owner Mark. Up next, we've got a timeless moments Pete Alonso. Boom. Beautiful looking card there. From Panini 3 and 2 Baseball, numbered 11 out of 20. Timeless moments. 53rd home run of 2019 was a no-doubter against Atlanta, setting the rookie long ball, rookie home run record, 53, Pete Alonso. Fire. Timeless moments to 20. New York Mets, David G. David G, that's yours. card number 3. We've got Vladimir Guerrero Sr. Expos top prospect from 1995, Upper Deck Minors. Here is a Montreal Expo. Of course, Expos cards go to the Washington Nationals via franchise history. That will be Chris W. Chris, you're going to get the Vlad Sr. as a Expos prospect from 1995 Upper Deck Minors. Authenticated autograph from Beckett. And next one here for the Atlanta Braves, your reigning, undisputed National League most valuable player, Ronald Acuna. Boom! 2022 Diamond Kings. Authenticated autograph from Beckett on the Acuna. Atlanta Braves, Kenneth, that is yours. Congrats. Authenticated auto there of Acuna. Fire. All right, pretty darn good start. 4 cards in. Still another 6 to go. Here's card number 5, marking the halfway point of your random team. I'm 0 for 5 and clean rips, although it's, getting the job done at the end. One of the boom bust potentials of the Gold Rush product. Sometimes we do see some double hitting, like here for the LA Dodgers. It's going to be Gavin Lux. Rookie autograph 19 out of 25 from Definitive Collection. 2020 Topps Definitive there. Dodgers were Mark. You got the Walker Buehler. You're going to add the Gavin Lux to the mail day. 19 out of 25, all in the Rookie Definitive. Beautiful looking hit there. Congrats. Ooh, fun one here for the hometown Cleveland Guardians, formerly Cleveland Indians, with that Wahoo logo there. That's even a more crazy Wahoo logo, but it's the man, Bob Feller. Bob Feller, authenticated autograph from Beckett. This is 2001 Topps Archives. Bob Feller. Robert William Andrew Feller. Cleveland Indians. Legend. Mark, man, another hit for you, man. Congrats. So far, so good. So you do have a few spots, but you got 3 cards already, so going well. Bob Feller, authenticated autograph. Nice young picture of Bob. Pretty cool. All right, continuing. All right, we got another Dodger. It's Jock Peterson. Jock Peterson, rookie. Authenticated autograph, rookie Mark. Crushing. Jock Peterson there. This is a authenticated autograph from PSA. Looks like 2015 Topps on the Jock Peterson rookie. Boom. And for the Cleveland Guardians, it's going to be a first Bowman, Shane Bieber. Boom! From Bowman Chrome. Authenticated autograph on that one. The Biebs with the 2020 Triple Crown inscription. Cleveland Mark, that is yours. Wow. I'm pretty jealous of the Feller and the Shane Bieber. Mark just having the break of his life here. All the cards going to Mark. Thank you all for participating. Crazy. All right, 2 more to go. It's going to be Old School Blue Slab 2001 Fleer Genuine Authenticated Autograph of Cal Ripken Jr. Cal Ripken Jr. from Fleer 2001. Authenticated autograph. Baltimore Orioles, Michael T. Michael T, that is yours. Congrats. Cal Fire. All right, last one. Good luck. Boom, 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 boom. 30 out of 99. Alec Bohm, rookie autograph from Inception Baseball for the Philadelphia Phillies. Chris W., that is yours. Congrats. Rookies and Emerging Stars autograph card from 2021. Inception Baseball. To 99 of Alec Bohm. All right, there are our 10 hits from Gold Rush Lightning 2024. That was our first random team attempt. Let's recap it. Let's pick up start where we left off. Alec Bohm, rookie auto to 99 for the Phillies. I had Cal Ripken Jr. for the Baltimore Orioles from 21 Fleer Genuine. It's going to be a pair of Cleveland Indians for Mark. Triple Crown First Bowman of Beebs, authenticated autograph, and Bob Feller, authenticated autograph from Beckett for Cleveland. We've got a trio of LA Dodgers. We have Walker Buehler, rookie autograph, Jim Mint 10 from PSA. We've got Jock Peterson, rookie autograph, authenticated autograph. And Gavin Lux, rookie definitive from 25, all off the LA Dodgers. We had Vlad Sr. as an Expo going to the national spot. Beckett authentication, 1995 Upper Deck Minors, Vlad Sr. And a couple of big-time booms here. Pretty cool. Pete Alonso, Timeless Moments to 20 for the New York Mets from 3-2 Baseball. And for the Atlanta Braves, it's Ronald Acuna Jr., authenticated autograph from Beckett on the 2022 Diamond Kings. Hey, what up, Ange? Appreciate y'all. We're going to stop and save. We can do whatever fills next.